Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amyth Mishra and you're watching Amyth Traveler. In this video, I'll be taking you guys on a hike to Gaisalpsee, which is near Oberstdorf, and I'll be driving with two of my friends from Munich to Oberstdorf, and we will start hiking from there. So let's go and explore this beautiful lake which further forms into a waterfall. Hey guys, he's Praveen. He got us to this amazing place. This is called as Gaisalpsee, and not this is Gaisalpsee. He is Sudhanshu and that's Gaisalpsee. We hiked today and it's approximately 700 to 800 meter elevation gain. It took us approximately 2 hours to reach to this point, and the view around is really amazing. It's mid of September, but still we have lots of snow here, so you can imagine how it will be when it is peak winter.